Train 3 comes out.
Train
Good.
3 comes in.
Depowers. Train 3 comes in.
Goes
Switches!
To track 2.
So yep, 2. Train 1, I think. 1, because we just went through all 3.
Right.
1 was docked at 2. Rolls out.
Goes into what, 3?
No, train 1 is rolling out now. We just went through trains 1 through 3.
Okay,
Good.
so it just
Train 1 rolls out. It's going to go into
3.
3.
So this is
Are you sure? 3?
3.
You were correct. Train 2,
2.
which was in 3.
Goes to 2.
Oh, yeah, I don't remember where they are, but yes, you're correct. Go. And then rolls in. Switches.
That didn't
And
get
that-
2.
What?
That
No, I
went
think
to
now
one.
it's 3-1-2. It was 2-3-1. Now it's 3-1-2. Watch 3-1-2 is gonna be the next. You stop it. You didn't get close enough. I think.
Sure?
It's still lit. Track.
You're right.
3-1-2. 3. Go. 1. And it's gonna switch again. Remember, this is the final one that click.
Holy shit! It fucking works!